Are you looking for the next biggest crypto exchange in 2025? Let's actually say the best crypto exchange in 2025. So whether you're a beginner or whether you're actually a pro trader, choosing the right platform, that is the key nowadays. So today, I'll actually show you my top picks and why they stand out. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And please also keep in mind that this is for educational purposes only. So ladies and gentlemen, getting it started, we have the ultimate Bybit. And I'm going to tell you guys right now that this is one of those great exchanges that actually offers a lot of benefits, especially for signing up. So you'll see right here, sign up to unlock up to, it says up to 5,050 USDT and welcome bonuses. That's actually pretty cool. So if you actually scroll down, you guys will see it right here. We got pizza day airdrop, 100% guaranteed Bitcoin win. I like that. First come, first serve. Okay. Scrolling down, you guys will see right here. Obviously, we got hot derivatives. We got hot coins as well, which are very important nowadays. Scrolling down, we got to get started in 30 seconds. Literally, all you got to do is create an account, make a deposit, and start trading. That's it. That is all you have to do. And you guys will see right here that Bybit technically has a lot of other things as well, especially products. We got what is known as the Bybit Card. We got Bybit Earn, okay, which is good. Passive income. That's top of the line nowadays. Copy trading. They got Trading Bot. They got Trade GPT, and then they even have Bybit Web 3. Okay, trading volume is massive here, over 24, almost $25 billion. We got cryptocurrencies listed, almost 2,000. Registered users, over 70 million, almost 71. And then supported countries, 160. So we got trade at anytime, anywhere. You guys can see right here. Obviously, it's accessible pretty quick and easy, all right, to get yourself started here. I'm gonna highly recommend you guys sign up, obviously, right? Especially if you want some rewards. You guys will even see right here, you can buy crypto, right? We got P2P trading, 0 fees. They got one-click buy, fiat deposit, convert, and crypto deposit. And they got the markets. They got trade, right? Spot, futures, options. Interesting. I like that. I haven't seen that one yet. Golden FX. That's awesome as well. They got SpotX. They got spread trading, and then they even have pre-market trading. Interesting. And they got different tools. You can see that, as we've already briefly mentioned. We got the finance, we got the learn, and we even have a rewards hub, which is very important nowadays. Moving on to our next one, we got the ultimate BitMart. So once again, promotions, guys. They got futures daily draw. They even have a spot daily draw. So you guys can see right here, buy, trade, and hold over 1,700 plus crypto instantly, right? So a little bit behind Bybit, okay? A little bit behind. But you guys will see right here, Futures King Trading Tournament. Look at that, you guys. May Gold Rush share. Individual prize up to. That's nice, okay? Massive, okay? You guys will see right here, we got hot. We got some gainers. Hot, obviously, it's like the top ones, which is actually really good. So gainers, as mentioned, pretty good as well, which is awesome. We even have new, okay? So it's good to see that they have a lot of new tokens. It looks like some of these new tokens are already blowing up. Then we even got top futures as well. Mooding, that is definitely a hot one right now. So I know Mooding has definitely been killing it, right? This is actually one that I'm really interested in personally. But anyways, going back here, you guys are going to see that they do have a lot of different cryptos, right? So scrolling down, you can dive down into that. They got copy trading as well, which is very important. Neo Tokyo, I like that. We got WealthBot. We even have Hungry Whale. Interesting. So these are copy trading. We got earn crypto rewards. Beautiful payouts here, right? So you guys can see that some of these seem to be a little bit high, but maybe we need to do some more digging to check it out, right? So we got spot, once again, futures, right? Trade anytime, anywhere since 2017, right? And then we even have their product, spot, margin, earn, API, buy, sell, futures, NFT, institution, and VIP. VIP is big. You can actually get some really nice perks, okay? Once again, buy, sell, so kind of the same. They even got debit, credit card there. That's actually pretty cool. We got the markets. We got the trade, spot, margin. We got futures as well, which is good. A lot of different ones you can choose from. They even got demo trading. They got futures grid, they got copy trading, and they even have earn. Okay. Finally, we got our last one, which is going to be Bitget. So trade with 100 million users on Bitget. So 200,000 copy trading. Interesting. Volume here is 25.5 billion. That's pretty high compared to Bybit, right? And then we have Popular, okay, which is actually really good. So exchange, we even have Web3, Bitget wallet. They got a swap as well. They got Bitget NFT, and they even have 2,000 plus dApps. So it's pretty good compared to the others, right? So we got safe and reliable. We got protection fund. We got proof of reserves. That's awesome. I like that 1-to-1 reserve ratio. And then we even have cold storage. So trade anytime, anywhere. Okay. So once again, kind of like the others, right? Buy crypto, right? We got P2P, quick buy card, debit card, credit card. Markets right here, opportunities, on-chain, insight, news, and live stream. They even have trade. So you guys can see that spot, on-chain, margin, convert, APIs. They even got futures as well. They got bots. That's actually pretty cool. Spot, futures, right? They've got grid, which is good. They even got earn, a lot of different ways that you can actually earn here, which is awesome. And then they even have that copy, okay? So you guys, a lot of different things whenever it comes to these different exchanges, but they all do provide a lot of different benefits. So I'm going to highly recommend, once again, as normal, check out the links down below, especially checking out these different exchanges, and tell me, which one do you think is best? Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, there were 3 important different exchanges. So if you guys will, check out the links down below in the description. Make sure that you leave some comments, especially if you like these exchanges, or if you have any other exchanges that you actually like and would like to recommend. Other than that, be sure to smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and we're going to see you in the next video.